How did the scientific group of Allatra come to understand this and become the first to propose a solution? The answer goes back many years and to the work of Dr. Igor Danilov, a vertebrologist and researcher who spent many years studying spinal diseases. Over 20 years ago, he was actively engaged in scientific research focused on investigating degenerative processes in intervertebral discs. His work included a comprehensive experimental and clinical study to understand morphological and biochemical changes occurring in the nucleus pulposus, intercellular substance, and cartilaginous tissue of intervertebral discs. While studying cellular processes, Dr. Danilov focused on immune regulation and pathological reactions that could trigger cell degeneration. He noted that mitochondrial dysfunction was one of the main drivers of these changes, and this insight became the starting point for investigating what might be disrupting cellular function. Dr. Danilov frequently visited specialized laboratories, and in the course of detailed analyses, he found foreign particles inside the cells, which he later identified as plastic. This discovery became a key moment in his research, as he began to analyze possible mechanisms by which plastics affect cells. Through his investigations, Igor Danilov determined that the negative impact of tiny plastic particles on cells stems precisely due to the damage they cause to mitochondria. This conclusion was based on observations that cells containing these tiny plastic particles showed clear signs of mitochondrial dysfunction, which in turn exacerbated degenerative processes. Here, Igor Danilov suggested that the ability of plastic particles to penetrate cells may be due to their electrolyte behavior. That is, the ability to accumulate and retain electrostatic charge, which allows them to form a biological shell around themselves. This property enables the plastic particles to enter cells easily, avoid detection by the immune system, cross protective biological barriers, including the blood-brain barrier, disrupt normal cell function, and provoke degeneration and cell death. On this basis, Igor Danilov proposed that to neutralize these tiny plastic particles, we must deprive them of their ability to accumulate and retain charge.